You've arrived at the cabin. It's time to go up the stairs and go to the front door and enter the door code. Go out the front stairs. Latch for the gates on the other side. Open it up. For convenience, when you're unloading and loading, you can latch it. But don't keep it open, otherwise you might get bears on the porch. Walk down the deck. Look at your beautiful view if it's not too late in the day. Down to the door, open the screen door. If you can't see the numbers on the padlock up here, click on the home button on the left corner. Numbers will light up. Type in your code. And I'll open the door for you. Yeah. If you're leaving and you want to lock the door, you can either punch in your code or click on the lock button bottom right. Now the door is locked.